already you know about development, but here you will see what difference of development means. When we say development, okay, different person can have different development goals. Means they just say different person in our country are living, and different government have in our country. Okay, so different government will have different goals. Do you agree? What I am saying? I am saying different parties can have different goals related to development, because different people have different think. Okay, so in this case we say what, no matter only in the government. Okay, matter is if people are different, then already we say what, automatically different people, then different people have different goals, from which this people this people this people, okay, this people can development in your country. Okay, so one sentence tells us only different people means, these people indicate, I indicate A, okay, B, C, D, E. So these people one, second people, third people, fourth people, fifth people. Okay. So this people is a different, this people is a different, this people are different. So what I'm saying you, what I'm telling you, I am saying you, these people will have different goals compared to these people. Yeah, do you agree? And next, let's talk. These people means we people will have different goals compared to these people. Yeah, and see, because here we are looking at what different people is, people are. Okay, and different people are, then this person have different goal. Okay, so next, let's see. But here one point indicates us what development means. Here are saying these people have different goals related to development, from which in your country these people in your country can development, but different waves, through different waves. Okay, through different waves these people can development, different development. Okay, next, what people desire are means, this government. Okay, these are government. And next, talk about public. Okay, group of public organization, public. Okay, so public desire means, your desire is what, my desire is what. Okay, so your desire compared to me will be different. So here saying public people desire what are, so here are given better wages means, do you think sometimes what my salary will be properly, will be, will get properly, okay, per day, no, per month, month to month, you will think, and you think what, my salary will get on properly month to month. But why you think like this? Because you face regarding to salary. If you do job, okay, in any companies, if in any government jobs, okay, so you think, you feel what, I may may would get better wages, from which I can survive. I can survive for livelihood, for your livelihood. Okay. So this desire only, not you think. Okay. Only not you think about this desire. More people think about it. Better wages means, more people thinks what, we we would get at properly month to month. Okay, Okay. Next is regular work. Any people don't want that I am I have been what unemployment. Anybody don't want that I have been unemployment. So here are saying here these people means a desire of people what regular work. People wants me we want regular work. We need to do regular work from which we can earn money, and through earn money we can survive our life, our family. Okay, so here talking about regular work, because we see in any country, in our country, what problem of work. Okay, problem of work means most of the people face related to work, related to job salaries. Okay, so it's a, you can say it's a phenomena problem. What else? What else? If you think some things else, so here are given equal treatment means in our society, means in any society we live, we want each people can be treatment as equally, but some people don't. So every person, each person want what we treat as equally, not as unequal. Okay, so equal treatment, freedom. Each person want freedom as a freedom. Each person in this matter, in this world. I hope you don't have any types of doubts. Next, security. Security here, what comes what in work security, what comes, and in jobs. Okay, and in a livelihood, because in previous lecture we discussed about food security. Some person who have insecure food security, about it we have discussed in previous lecture. So here are saying some person, most of person want we want security in food, in jobs, government jobs. Okay, and any person don't want we treat as unequally. Okay, don't any person want. Okay, respect. Yeah, respect is necessary. If you will see in your surrounding area, childhood child 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 don't know about respect, but we know about respects is compulsory for each person. And one statement you may have heard what give respect, take respect. So this sentence you can say is powerful in your own ways. But we are talking about respect. Respect is compulsory, we already know. But sometimes we see in our area where cars, vehicles run. Then sometimes we see what disrespect with among people disrespect we see. Okay, so every person want this, you can say this, these are extra. Okay, about people design, but it's compulsory. Okay, it's compulsory for each person. Okay, and also you can say security, all is compulsory, but we say what it's a measure desire of public. Next, see, our life is also dependent on other things apart from money. Means here are saying without money we are, without money means apart from, instead of money, apart from money, we we are dependent on other things apart from money. Sometimes we think what money is all things, Money is all things, sometimes things, and most of you think what money is all about. Money is all thing, but here are saying apart from money we are dependent on other things. Okay, okay, you can say such as respect, freedom, equal treatment. Okay, so other things are from which we can say we are not only dependent on money. Okay, the quality of life and other things like social relationships also matters. Means quality of life. If you don't have any kinds of skills, then you can say you required a types of skills, then we say what you have a quality life. Okay, so the quality of life and other things like social relationships means in any city, in any town, in any society we live. So we live, and in society we build relationship among people, so it's also matter. Without each other person, we cannot survive as a happiness. So relationship, to build a relationship among people, it's compulsory, and you can say it's a matter for our life, for each person's life. Okay, so it's you are looking at what these these are apart from money. Okay, similarly for development, people look at a mix of goals. Means when government talks about development in a country, then some people, most of people, where are organization of people, public, we say public. So in public, some most of the people think what when our government are talking about the development of a country, for a country, then in public most of the people think what development is all about mix of goals. Okay, people look at a mix of goal of development when government development, when government talk about development, and not only when our government talk about development, no, also when some person talk about each other, about talk each other, about development, then also some person can think what development means a mix of a goal. So we can say development means a mix of a goal. Okay, and hence the development goals that people have are not only about better income but also about other important things in life. Means here are saying development goal means okay, people think what development means a mix of goals, but in a mix of goals are what? Okay, so the development goals that people have are not only about better income. Means you think what if our income will be better, then we are comfortable. But like this cannot be, and next say what but also matter also about other things, whatever we are dependent on other things. Okay, so other things is compulsory, other things is important in our life without apart from income. And here we discussed about what apart from money. So income comes in money, income as a money. Okay, so without income we are depend on other things, means we are depend on important things in our life. Next, countries with a higher income are more developed than others with less income. Means others with less income, more countries with higher income are more developed. Okay, compared to less income. So next see this tells us about report about countries. Okay, so most of countries with a higher income are more developed. Means this tells us in a country in most of country, higher income is compulsory. Higher income is required for development on your country. Greater income is an important goal for nations. And here are saying what? But here we talk what? Apart from money, apart from income, we are depend on other important things. We are not saying, I am not telling you without income we can growth our country. I am not telling like this. Okay, I am telling apart from income, and here are saying what people have whatever have income, people have whatever income, but without income, apart from income, we are also depends on other important things. So other things is compulsory for us. Okay, apart from money, what? Apart from money, we our life is also dependent on other things. Okay, so here are saying many countries are with a higher income are more developed, have developed more with higher income. So here higher income, roles of higher income is matters. Okay, if we talk about what we have less income, so we can comfortable. No. Okay, so about income, I discussed it. We discussed it. Okay. Greater income is an important goal for a nation. Means greater income in a country have, then we can say that country can be growth in your waves because in that country have higher income per person. Means most of person have higher income. Okay. So through higher income, that country can growth. Okay. In upcoming future time. Now, what is the income of the country? Means about income we are talking about, but in our mind will come what is income of country? So the income of the country, income means what? Salary of each person. Then we say income. Income of each person means whatever in one country people are living. So people are earning money for your life, for your family life. So people are earning money. So earning money is talk about is about income. Okay, so whatever people are living and whatever people are earning, so earning of the country is the income of all the residents of the country. Means people are living in a country, so this show us what resident of people in a one country. Okay, so people earns money and also earning is calculated in income of the country. Okay, means in short we say GDP, gross domestic product. We will discuss when about it topic will come, then we will discuss. Okay, residents of the country. Okay, till here we are clear. This gives us means income of the country, gives us the total income of the country. Okay, each person are living in a country, so each person's means income of each person gives us the total income of the country. Then we say what that is GDP of that country. Okay, I hope about it you got it. In the next we will discuss about it. Whatever will come, then we will discuss. Next is the average income. Average income means upper to middle class, upper to middle, and top to below. Okay, below to top. So the average income is also called per capita income. About it we will discuss, we shall discuss, because here in short tells us what average income we say what per capita income. Per means per person. Okay, per person, per income of a per person. Okay, so capacity, per capacity of a per person, capacity of a per income of a per person. Okay, so in short here are telling us, but we will discuss about it when related to GDP topic will come, then we will discuss. And related to per capita income and average income, when will come, then we will discuss. Okay, countries with per capita income of US dollar, here are given rupees payment in form, in dollar form. Okay, how many dollar? $49,300. If you want to convert in Indian rupees, then this will be more income, more payment in Indian rupees. Okay, if you want to convert, then you can calculate in Indian rupees. Okay, countries with per capita income of USA, this dollar annum, means you can say annual. Okay, and above in 2019, means this dollar are above in 2019, then are called high income rich countries. Means any countries, okay, any countries are per capita income above this dollar, then we say that country is a rich country, that country have high income. Okay, but above this dollar, above this income, income means per capita income. Okay, so in short we say what, above this dollar, in any country have high income, in a high income, then we say that country is a rich countries. Those with a per capita income of this or less, then are called low income countries. We discussed about rich countries, we discussed about high income countries with a per capita of this above, then we say that country is a rich country. But now here talk about low income. Okay, low income means low income of country of low income. Okay, those country with per capita income of this like this, any country have this income, then we say that country is low income countries. Okay, that country are called as low income countries. Okay, about rich countries, about low income countries are talk about. Next, let's see, India comes in the category of low middle income. Means we don't say what India is a low income category, low income country, and also don't say what India is a high income. India have high income. India is rich countries. No, whether, okay, nothing. Okay, we say rather what India is middle. India is low middle income. Okay, so here you are looking what, if you are living in India, then you say what, our India have low middle income, then we say India is a low middle income countries, because it's per, means India is a depend on per capita income, then we calculate, then we say what, India is a low middle income. Okay, next, public facilities. Public means people of government. Okay, group of people, organization of people. Okay, public facilities. So whatever are available for public, that facilities is for public by government. Okay, so the money in your pocket cannot buy all the goods and service that you may need to live well. And what are that things here are saying we cannot buy, okay, to live well. Let's see. But here are saying in short what, you can say our government is saying what, whatever your money in your pocket cannot buy all the goods and services that you may need to live well. Okay, let's see. Pollution free environment. But here I would say what about infrastructure, means infrastructure, road, and you can say college, education. So this provide our government. So infrastructure you cannot buy. Okay, infrastructure you cannot make. Okay, so this is the reason our government say whatever you have money, so through that money you cannot buy. Okay, you may you may need to live well. Pollution free environment means you cannot control pollution in our country, you cannot control. So this can control at least our government. Okay, so pollution free environment here are given about it related. So let's see. Many poor people cannot even go close it to it, means many poor people cannot go close it. Okay, hence it is provided collectively and free, means our government provide some collectively and free. What are hence certain facilities we are talking about public facilities, because we need to live. Okay, well. So pollution is our barrier for to our life. So here say as what this about means you cannot control pollution in a country. So this work is our government. Okay, so many poor people cannot even go closer to it. So hence it is provided collectively and free. So collectively and free. So this is so what public facilities. Hence certain facilities in other form we say public facilities are provided for free and for all citizens, like infrastructure, health, education. About it I told you. Infrastructure, it's free for public. Health education, it's also free for poor people and for all age person, all age citizen, whatever whoever people are living in a country. Okay, security is compulsory to each person's life. Okay, which is essential for all, means this infrastructure, health education, security, you can say it's a major public facilities at its major facilities to all person, to all citizen. So it must be compulsory. Okay, because it is essential for all public, for each person. Next is human development report. It's a report, it's just a report. Okay, only let's understand. Development report means according to as per according to human development report, we can understand, we can decide what is our problem, what is happening in our India, according to human development report. Okay, let's see. Human development report published by UNDP, means through this organization are published of human development report. So UNDP in your mind would be coming. What is full name of this? U stand for United in Nation Development Program. Okay, United means all countries are included in this organization, in this program. Okay, United Nations means many countries are included in this organization for development and its program. Okay, so compare countries, means each other each other are compared. Okay, countries are compared each other countries based on the education levels of the people, their health status and per capita income. Means these organizations show us what is your capita income of your country. what is status of your health, of your means your country's person's health. About status, this organization, this program tells us. Okay, you can say this provide us a report of human development report. So through this report we can decide what about education levels of the people and about health status. Okay, health status of people and also per capita income of our country. So this it's a program not only just one country, it's a program at global level. Okay, so through this we can understand, we can decide what are situation of educational levels of the people and also health status we can check out. Okay, per capita income, because it's a compulsory. Through this we know what about GDP, about economy of our country. Okay, many things, more things we know through this report. Okay, but do remember this. Through this, you can think about it. Through this, okay. Through this means Union United Development Program. It's just program, and through this report provided. Okay, through this. So through this, many countries are compared among their means about education levels of the people. Means these say this country this country is low in cases of education levels of the people. This country is higher level is at a higher level in health status. Okay, and you can say what USA country, per capita of USA country is at have received at a higher level. Okay, so this organization provides a report, then we decide, okay, about it. And in the next we will discuss whatever will come, then we will discuss which sectors of the Indian economy is next. Okay, next is sectors of the Indian economy. Sentence here are given about sectors of the Indian economy. Do you know about the sectors of the Indian economy? Because you know what different sectors. But I am talking about, and here are talking about sectors of the economy, means related to the economy. Do you know? Some person are thinking, will be thinking what sectors means three types of sectors of the Indian economy: primary, secondary, tertiary. That's it. No, okay. This is, but we will discuss in deeply related to this. First sentence: there are many economic activities. Yeah, right. In our market, in surrounding us, we see what happening. Many types of economic activities. Many types of economic activities is happening surrounding our area. Okay, so there are many economic activities happening surrounding us. Yeah, you are agree? Whatever here are saying, you are agree? Means surrounding us, many types of economic activities is happening. Suppose, and you will think what? So what are activities from which we can say that is economic activities is happening in our area? Say how? So how can we say? Okay, that is economic activity. We will discuss about it, but here are saying only many activities economic, where we produce a good by exploiting natural resources. Means through exploiting natural resources, if we produce a goods, but here do notice what exploiting means: exploitation. Okay, by exploitation natural resources, if we produce a good, okay, it comes under the it comes under the category of primary sector. As you said, there are three types of sectors. So first is primary. So here are given first sector, primary sector. Okay. So whatever you produce a good by exploitation of nature resources, and it good comes undertaken under the category of this primary sector. Means in first sector, these goods whatever you produce by this exploitation natural resources, then it good comes in primary sector. Okay, got it. And now say what exploitation means. What we need some material, some engineer to our life. Okay, to live well. Okay, we need, then we explore of natural resources because we need them. So here are saying, if through exploitation of natural resources, if you produce, then that first thing, that is your raw materials. Okay, and all it things by exploiting natural resources. So it good, these are good, are included in primary sector. Next, why primary? Here are given primary sector, all eight goods are included in primary sector. So why primary? Why primary? Okay, this is because it forms the base for all the other products. Means, as I said, what it is your first goods. Okay, it is your first goods. Means raw material. But as we saw, what it's our first good by exploiting natural resources. Means through natural resources we get. Okay, we get good. So it's our made first things. Means what base things. Okay, to other sectors. Means secondary sector remains secondary sector, tertiary sector. So secondary sector, tertiary sector need to primary sector. So primary sector why need? Because primary sector is the first things, is the first sector, but in the other side is the first thing. Through this we can acquire goods. Okay. Then we talk about secondary. Then point starts in secondary sector. Okay, this is because it's form the base for all the products. Okay, you can say it's our basic needs, it's our base. Okay, since most of the natural products we get are from agriculture, and agriculture is what natural resources. Dairy, where does we produce? Through through natural resources. Means it's natural. And fishing, it's our naturals. Where you produce fishing? Through natural. Means in water, mix of land, mix of soil and water, then we get fish. Okay, and agriculture through land, on land we do agriculture, then we get. Okay, we get, yeah, forestry. There, this sector is also called agriculture related sector. You will see what in the primary sector almost things we get from the agriculture. Then we say what this primary sector is also called as a agriculture. Means it's related to agriculture. Okay, got it. Till here, uh, are talked about primary sector. Okay, next is secondary sector. But till here, repeat again, we see there are many economic activities. Many means two types of economic activities: non-economic activities, means market economy activities, and second, non-market economy activities. About non-market economic activities and market economic activities, we discussed already in previous lecture. but here are talking about only they in your area are many economic activities. Okay, and now through many economic activities we will understand how, and all these economic activities is happening in your surrounding area. When we produce a good, okay, when we produce some good, so by exploiting nature resources means we through exploitation of nature resources we produce some things. Okay, then we get some material. It comes means it all goods comes under the category of primary sector. Means it's a first thing, it's a base things, it's a raw material, it's our raw material. Next rather to primary means we already know here three types of primary, here three types of sectors. First is primary, second is secondary, third is tertiary. So primary, about primary, here what I are talking about primary, this is because it's from the base for all the products. Okay, form the base for all the other products, means it's our basic needs. Since most of the nature products means most of natural products we get from agriculture, we get from agriculture. So first dairy, from agriculture, from dairy, from fishing, from foresting, and this is also called as agriculture, and this is related to agriculture. Okay, means we will see what primary sector. If whenever we talk about primary sector, then we will discuss, then we will notice what it is related to agriculture. So next see secondary sector, about secondary sector. Okay, it's our second types of what sectors of the economy. Okay, it's our second sectors of the economy. It covers activities in which nature products what are these primary sectors. Okay, means these nature products, these are nature products. So whatever nature products, and through this we are discussing in secondary sector. It covers activities in which nature products are changed, means these are nature products and are changed into other forms. Okay, into other forms through waves of manufacturing, means we need manufacturing. Through manufacturing we natural product can convert into other form through this manufacturing, through this way. Okay, that we associate, that we means about manufacturing, that we associate with industrial activity. Okay, means also we know about it, means secondary sector also we know as industrial activity. Okay, so do remember, do notice what we can change. So what can change? Natural products. Natural products can change into other forms. Where? In secondary sector. So in secondary sector, we natural products can change into other forms through wave of manufacturing. Means we need manufacturing. So through manufacturing, we also known as industrial activity. And if and we know industrial activity, then we also say what in the cases of a secondary sector, what secondary sector is known as industrial activity. Okay, so do remember only what we need manufacturing. Why? Because manufacturing, through manufacturing we can change. What can change? Natural product can change into other form through this manufacturing. When this point, this word comes in our sentence, then we think what it's related to industrial sector, industrial activity. Okay, so manufacturing and industrial activity, importance of this plays a crucial role in this secondary sector. Okay, next see, this product is not produced by nature, means whatever we change it through wave of manufacturing. So here say what product, this product means when we change in other form, then we say that is product of a secondary sector. Okay, this product is not produced means this product. Okay, other forms this product is not produced by nature. We know already what this is nature products means these are primary products. Okay, so these are primary products are produced by exploitation of nature products, natural resources. But if we change into other forms of all natural products, then we say what it products has to made and there some process of manufacturing is engineered means as I said what manufacturing and industrial activity of role of manufacturing and role of industrial activities plays a crucial role in secondary sector. So also here are saying what some process means about manufacturing and industrial sectors or industrial sector is essential in our life in development. Okay, also called the industrial sector. We are talking about what secondary sector. So till here we are clear. So let's see example of secondary sector. Example: we we means we cloth from cotton. From cotton we make cloth from cotton. So cotton is what? Cotton is natural resource. Cotton is our raw material. So through this our natural resources. This our raw material. So this way through this way cotton change into other forms means other forms with means weave cloth. Okay, cloth. So we make cloth through cotton, then we say that is a secondary product. Okay, secondary sector. Through secondary sector we make cloth through cotton. So cotton point is what? Remember point is what? Cotton. Cotton is our natural resource. Cotton is our raw material. Okay. So cloth is what? Cloth when we change into other forms. So this is changed of cotton. Okay. Second, make sugar from sugarcane. Means sugarcane is our natural resources. Is our raw materials. So through sugar cane, we change into other forms means sugar. Okay. Earth into bricks means soil. Brick means we add to build building, home, house. Then we need bricks. So through through earth we can make bricks. Okay. So sugarcane is our natural products, cotton it's our raw materials. So if we talk about only it, then we say what it's our primary sector. If we talk about cloth, then we say what it's our secondary sector. Third, next say about the tertiary sector. So it's the third types of the Indian economy. Means the third sector of the Indian economy. Let's see. Let's understand about it. These are activities that help in the development of the primary and also of the secondary. Means whatever are natural resources in the primary. So through tertiary sector can development to primary sector, can development to secondary sector. So through tertiary sector. Okay, till here we are clear. These activities by themselves means through own ways. Do not produce a good means a tertiary sector do not produce anything good. Okay. but they are an aid, they are a helper. Okay, they are helper means a tertiary sector are a helper person or support for all production process means this tertiary sector person of tertiary sector can help to the primary sector, can help to the secondary sector, from which we say what in our country can development through tertiary sector. Okay, we already know through primary sector we can development, but we need to support other such as tertiary sector, such as secondary sector. Through secondary sector we can change natural products. Natural products can change into other forms. Then these things we go we to go in market economy in market, then we sell. Okay, so sometimes we need secondary sector. Through this we already know through this our country can development, but these three sectors of the economy as we saw, these are each other are dependent, these are each other upon dependent. So it's compulsory because sectors of the economy plays a crucial role in the economy of the country. What I am telling you, what I said sectors of the economy as we discuss about primary, about secondary, and about tertiary sector. About tertiary sector, we will discuss in the next step because it's a half of about tertiary sector. We will discuss. Okay, so it's a compulsory and its sector plays a crucial role in the economy of the country, and its sectors depend upon each other. Okay, each other means secondary sector depend on primary sector, tertiary sector depend on primary sector and secondary sector. Okay, so tertiary sector it's our basic needs, it's our raw materials. Okay, in the next we will discuss whatever will come, then we will discuss. We are going talking about this. Okay, example of tertiary sector means about tertiary sector and about secondary sector and about the primary sector we discussed. We saw. Okay, here are given example of tertiary sector means transport, storage, communication, banking, and trade person. In other word, we say merchant. Okay, trade person are some examples of a tertiary sector. Okay, so these examples show about a tertiary sector, definition of a tertiary sector. So tertiary sector is called also what? Service sector. So transports means one place to another place we provide service. Okay, we provide service, then we say what? Transport. Storage means means store maybe production of store of a production. Okay, anything but related to tertiary sector, related to service sector must be. Okay, communication means that means communication, means of communication is what do mean of communication? Communication, when we can say when our phone recharge is ended, is expired, then after some days customer we are company call you. Okay, company call you. So these conservations communications, so company of Jio provides what? MB. Okay, and MB data, and if your recharge is expire, then after some day company call you. So this communication what? Through this communication provides you service means service. Okay, we now what? When we do recharge means when we do recharge for a 1 month, then we say this is service. Okay, also this we say, but I am telling you what I am getting you what when company call you and when company communicate with you, this so communication. Okay, so this communication related to service. Okay, after sometimes you do recharge, okay, of your phone. Okay, banking means already you know. And what banker person. Okay, when you deposit in your bank, and the bank accept your money, and after sometimes you can take your money. Okay, so here, so what banking service to you, service your money. Okay, banking protect your money. So this is so what service of public. Okay, so banking service through money. Okay, and transport service through product. Okay, next, third person means we are means we are business person. If your father are business persons, then we say what your father trade of products. Okay, one place to another place. And also you think what when we trade of product one country to another country, then also you can say it's a international trade. Okay, are some example of a trust sector. Next, since these activities generate service, as I said, what trust sector is known as what service sector. So here say what activities, these activities means transport, storage, communication, banking, and trade persons. So these all these activities generate in other form, means service, rather than goods. Rather than goods means here we don't need goods, means this tertiary sector do not produce anything good. These service sector are helper to primary sector to secondary sector, as you discuss. Okay, so here this tertiary sector do not produce anything, and through these activities generate service person. Okay, tertiary sector is also called the tertiary service sector. We got it, we are clear. It also includes aspect like teachers, doctors, lawyers, ATMs, software companies, and others. All these what all these are service. Means a teacher provides a service through teaching, doctor provides a service, and layers provides a service. Then this layer person can earn money, this layer person earn money. ATM person what this provides service, and through service this person earn money to your life. Software companies, okay, same. And other, okay, other more things, but here are not given. For whatever here are given example for understand. Okay, because we example through example we can understand easily. Next, why do we need to categorize economic activities? Means why do we need categories economic? Means primary sector one side category, secondary sector one side category, tertiary sector this other side category. So why we need to categorize of these sectors? But here are saying activities means we as we saw two types of economic activities: non-market economic activities, market economic activities. So here question raised what why do we need to categorize? So comparing these three sectors, as we saw three sectors, so here are getting compare. Okay, let's see, three sectors have various people working for them. Means in this sector as we discuss, so through this we can say, through discuss we can say what in primary sector we saw what people. Okay, but at the same in secondary sector is a different people compared to primary. Okay, compared to primary. So primary people, okay, in primary sectors are people, and this same primary people are not included in secondary sector, and secondary person are not included in tertiary sector. Okay, so primary sector, person of primary sector is one side, and person of secondary sector is another side, and person of tertiary sector is other side. So here these things, what three sectors have various people working for them. For them means sectors means manufacturing of means natural things can change it, okay, through wave manufacturing. So we need people, and in primary sector we need people to exploitation of natural resources, and in service sector we need more people. Why? For service, for provide service, okay, providing service. They have various production activities involved, as we saw in three sectors. What they have various production means in primary sector we saw what natural resource, raw materials, but at the same time in other definition of a secondary sectors, what we saw natural resources are changed into other forms. So into other forms, when other forms, okay, so other forms is called secondary production. So secondary person have various work, okay, and as tertiary sector, in tertiary sector we get what, service person, okay. So production in this case is maybe and maybe not. How? In this case means in this tertiary sector people work as a service. So these people do not produce goods production, okay, but this person work through as a service, okay. It is important to see who produce more and how. Means through this compare of three sector, we can find out, we can decide who produce more. Okay, who work more, who service provide more. So three sector, compare of three sector we can find out. Okay. Next, okay. And how means how secondary sector person produce good. We can say as we saw, and in the other definition of a tertiary sector. So we, and in tertiary sector we can see what, how tertiary sector person of a tertiary sector provides a service. So we can see through compare. Okay, through compare we can see. Next see, let's see the counting method. The counting method. Counting method means, okay, but here are given headline. What the counting method? Method means when we when we make anything, when we produce, so then we need method. Through method we can comfortable, we can make as a comfortable, okay. The final goods and service are included in the counting. Means whatever we have final goods and service, so whatever we have, so all these final goods we include in the counting, okay. We are agree. One why only final goods and service are counted, and here are given goods and service. So sometimes you will think what, goods and service is equal. No, goods and service are different. How? Goods means product, service means when we provide service. Means I am teaching you, so teaching is your service, okay. Your shopkeeper provides some materials, so some materials is what, some materials is product, okay. So goods and service are different, do remember. So here are saying what, why only final goods and service are counted. So here question, here our question is what, wheat used in making wheat flour is an intermediate product. Means when we wheat used in making means in making flour, when flour is made, okay, then we say final goods. But wheat flour is an intermediate product. Okay, good. Intermediate wheat flour, because we are making through wheat for flour. This good adds up in making the final product. Okay. Hence, only the final goods and service is counted as the intermediate goods is already included. Means already about wheat flour, means counted of wheat flour, we include in the intermediate product. Okay, so now we cannot count in the final goods. Okay, because we already counted of wheat flour in the intermediate product. Okay, so now counted we cannot count in the final goods. Okay, so here are saying, hence only the final goods or service is counted as the intermediate good is already included. Okay, here we cannot say what it is not intermediate product and good, but when after making, then we say what wheat flour. Now we can say wheat flour is an intermediate product, and here are given what, hence only the final goods and service is counted as the intermediate good, because is already included. Okay, in the next we will discuss whatever will come, then we will discuss. Okay.